I would like to, sir, briefly apprise the...
So, ऐसा नहीं, time ना, we have discussed it in all party. This one, please.
Sir, regarding these two bills, I would like to briefly apprise the honorable members and give the background of these bills. Sir, basically, we all have to know that in 1970...
Little louder.
Pardon, sir?
Louder, louder.
Sir, in 1970 and in 1973, the Parliament had enacted these Central Council for Indian Systems and homeopathy bills. Now, for the first bill that I had requested for consideration, the issue is this, sir, that the Central Council of Homeopathy had failed in its responsibilities and had not cooperated willfully with the government to carry out its duty to safeguard standards of education. We know that these acts were made in 70 and in 73 for regulation of educational standards of homeopathy as well as the Indian systems of medicine, and also for maintenance of the central register of these practitioners of these systems. Sir, in the case of the homeopathy bill in 2018, because there were so many charges of irregularities and lack of transparency and corruption in the Homeopathy Council, the government had actually decided to bring about an ordinance so that it can supersede the Central Council of Homeopathy by a board of governors so that a new Central Council could be formed within 1 year. The fact is that there was no adequate, register for the practitioners of homeopathy, and within that 1 year that part could not be completed. So in 2019, the government had to bring another ordinance.
Right.
Sir, similarly, in the case of Ayurveda also, what was happening that the government, because the government had in the 2019 brought both the national commissions for homeopathy as well as for Indian systems of medicine, and in 2020 the term of the president of the Council for Indian Systems of Medicine was expiring on 31st May, and a lot of election of other members from various states in the country had to take place. In the meantime, sir, what has happened in both the bills, that in 2019 the government brought these National Commission of Homeopathy as well as for Ayurvedic systems also, and they were passed by the Rajya Sabha in March 2020. Now both of them have been passed by the Lok Sabha also. So in both the situations there was a situation where in homeopathy also and in Ayurveda also, the government, the council had to inspect the colleges for the 2020
right.
period, and since the commissions cannot start functioning, so this was in fact, and the parliament was also not in position in working because of COVID and all. So this was the compelling reason why the government, to ensure that the existing board of governors, they are able to carry out their duties to take care of the inspections of the
right.
colleges of homeopathy and...
Pradhanji, thank you.